Ever wondered what goes into making that refreshing can of Pepsi? Today, I'm taking you behind the scenes to uncover the secrets of Pepsi production. First stop, the ingredients. Pepsi begins with water, purified to perfection. It's essential for that crisp, clean taste. Next, the magic blend of high fructose corn syrup and sugar. These sweeteners create that signature Pepsi flavor we all love. Now, onto the flavors. Pepsi's unique taste comes from a top-secret combination of natural flavors, caffeine, and citric acid. This mixture is carefully crafted to achieve that perfect balance of sweetness and tanginess. Once the ingredients are measured and mixed, it's time for carbonation. Carbon dioxide is infused into the liquid to give Pepsi its fizzy, bubbly texture. This process happens in a sealed environment to maintain the right level of carbonation. Next, the bottling phase. The carbonated Pepsi is transported through pipes to the filling stations. Here, high-speed machines fill thousands of bottles and cans every minute. It's a blur of motion, precision, and efficiency at its best. But it's not just about filling containers. Each bottle and can is carefully sealed and checked for quality. Any imperfection? It's sent back for recycling. Only the best products make it to the next stage. Packaging is up next. Bottles and cans are grouped, packed, and labeled. They're then loaded onto pallets and prepared for shipping. It's a meticulous process, ensuring that every Pepsi reaches you in perfect condition. Finally, distribution. Pepsi products are shipped to stores and vending machines worldwide. From the factory floor to your hands, every step is designed to deliver that refreshing sip of Pepsi you crave. So, next time you pop open a can of Pepsi, remember, there's a lot of science, precision, and a touch of magic behind that irresistible taste. Thanks for joining me on this journey. If you enjoyed this inside look, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating stories. Cheers!